Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to TikTok Tuesday. Each week we look at online trends and challenges and ask the experts if they're worth the hype. This week we're looking at fire cider, something that's been around well before TikTok, but has seen a bit of a resurgence on the platform.
Okay, one thing our family can't live without is fire tonic in our fridge. We keep a jar at all times just in case someone's feeling sick.
So I start by rough chopping some ginger, some turmeric, some horseradish and garlic and onion, and then I just poured a ton of apple cider vinegar on top.
So there are a bunch of variations on the fire cider recipe. I took a very basic recipe from the website freefirecider.com. Onions, ginger, garlic, and I didn't have horseradish root, but I did have creamed horseradish, so I added that instead. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. You can kind of see that it's kind of cloudy, and I think that's the creamed horseradish. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put all these ingredients together, leave it in a dark pantry for a couple of weeks, and then when you drink it, it's supposed to increase your immune system. So, in the name of science, to your health. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I can definitely taste the onion and the horseradish, but the flavors aren't as strong as I thought they'd be. Maybe if I had left it for longer, I don't know. It wasn't terrible. But the real question is, if I drank this every day, do we think that I'd boost my immune system? And honestly, we don't know. Even though the fire cider recipe itself has been around since about the 80s, and there have definitely been a lot of recipes that are similar to fire cider that have been around for centuries before that, there hasn't been a lot of research into if this kind of stuff is good for you. So if we look at each individual ingredient in fire cider, there are some studies to show that there may be some health benefits with every single one. Apple cider vinegar may have some antimicrobial properties and may help fasting glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Ginger may have some antioxidant and anti-nausea effects. Garlic may have some anti-inflammatory properties as well as support cardiovascular health. And raw onions are also rich in antioxidants. However, all of these studies varied in size and length, making it difficult to say across the board if it's going to have the same effect on every single person. We also don't know if steeping these ingredients in an acidic liquid like apple cider vinegar can add to or take away or change the health benefits. And if you include these ingredients as part of your diet, they're going to give you the same benefits. The dietitians I've spoken to have said that if you eat a varied, balanced diet full of nutrition-dense foods, then you're going to support your health and your immune system. We also don't have a lot of research to say that if you do feel a cold coming on and you take something like this apple cider vinegar drink, if that's going to beat back the cold for you. If you're looking to add some foods to your diet that might also support your immune system, foods high in vitamin C like oranges and foods high in zinc like pumpkin seeds and red meat can also support the white blood cells in your body. But again, these foods need to be consumed as part of a varied and balanced diet. And your mileage may vary based on your own medical history. If you're looking to learn more about fire cider, the ingredients inside it, and some crazy history into the drink, check us out at healthing.ca. I can still taste the vinegar.